National PSI Exam Prep, page 114. True or false? Number 136. Apply to brokers when the quote or advertise interest rates for mortgage loan funds. True. 137. Require lenders to disclose all closing costs for the transaction. False. Lender costs. RESPA discloses all closing costs. Question. According to the Truth in Lending Act, Regulation Z, the following wording in an advertisement would trigger full disclosure. Number 138. Nominal interest rate of 8%. True. Number 139. 10% down payment. True. Number 140. Low down payment. False. General terms, sales price, and APR do not trigger full disclosure. Number 141. Annual percentage rate, 6.5%. False. APR or price okay. Number 142. 20 easy monthly installments. True. Number 143. Miss Thomas is selling her house and accepting a second mortgage for $5,000 at 10% for 5 years. Under the Truth in Lending Act, Regulation Z, she is required to report the APR and the finance charges to the buyer. False. Individual sellers need not disclose. Number 144. RESPA requires that home equity loans have a 3-day right of rescission. False. Truth in Lending Act. Number 145. APR reflects the true cost of obtaining credit. True. Number 146. RESPA requires lenders to disclose all closing costs in a HUD-1 within 1 week of loan application. False. Within 3 days in a good faith estimate. Number 147. Fully amortized loans will require the full payment of principal at the end. False. Term/straight or partially amortized. Number 148. Partially amortized loans have monthly payments of principal and interest. True. Number 149. The clause in a mortgage that allows the lender to demand loan repayment if a borrower sells the property is the deficience clause. Deficience clause. False. Alienation/due on sale clause. Number 150. A financial arrangement by which a buyer purchases property using borrowed funds but does not actually receive title to the property until after the loan has been fully repaid is a land contract. True. Number 151. A lender who wants to make sure that a borrower will be legally obligated to pay off the entire unpaid loan balance if the borrower defaults on the payments should be used an acceleration clause. True. Number 152. When a property is sold in a foreclosure proceeding and the sale does not bring sufficient funds to cover the senior mortgages, the original mortgagor may be subject to default judgment. False. Deficiency. Number 153. PMI is most often required for loans over 80% loan to value. True. Number 154. Annual percentage rate is lower than the nominal interest rate. False. Higher, as it includes the nominal/note rate plus cost of credit. Number 155. LTV is used to determine the amount the lender will loan and if the borrower will have to pay PMI. True.